Hello everyone, welcome back to Story Time with Hajra. Today we are reading My Friend Julia, a Sesame Street book about autism. So let's get started. Meet Julia. This is our friend Julia. She is funny, smart, and autistic. Being autistic means she thinks and plays in her own amazing ways. We are all a little bit different and a little bit the same. Different and the same. Just like Elmo and Abby, Julia loves art. Just like Ernie, Julia loves building. Sometimes Julia and I build things together. Sometimes we play side by side. Julia always likes to have her bunny friend Fluffster with her. When Julia feels nervous, she hugs Fluffster and feels safe. Julia loves Fluffster. Elmo loves baby David. When Julia gets excited or nervous, she may clap and jump. She may flap her hands. When I feel excited, I flap my super cape. Loud sounds can bother Julia, but her headphones help quiet the noises. Me love the sound of cookies crunching in my mouth. When Julia's feelings get too big, she knows a way to calm herself down. She blows bubbles. I take 3 deep belly breaths to calm myself down. Some friends like hugs when they're sad. When Julia feels sad, a starfish hug can help. She spreads her fingers and touches fingertips with someone else. When I'm sad, Julia stays with me until I feel better. She's a good friend. Our differences are what make us amazing. And we are all the same in one big way. We are all friends. Friends make me happy. I'm happy you're our friend.